Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, buddies. I am Vea Mariel Cosme Kamson, the first reporter, and my topic is all about Introduction to the Criminal Justice System in the United Kingdom. The Criminal Justice System, or CJS, of the United Kingdom serves as a framework for upholding the rule of law and ensuring justice as applied fairly and consistently. So, the United Kingdom is made of different areas where England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. They have slightly different rules, but all of them aim for fairness and justice. Historical background. The UK's criminal justice system has evolved over centuries, beginning with the establishment of common law in medieval England. The signing of the Magna Carta in 1215 laid the foundation for due process and protection against arbitrary imprisonment. So the UK's justice system is a very old and grew through hundreds of years. And then in sa Magna Carta, they said that people cannot be jailed without a good reason. So in 1215, no one can be jailed without a good legal reason. The king must follow the law too. So, adto sa ilaha sa UK is king man ilang tawag sa kuan. So, for example, ay dapat na ka ng nasili ka ng fair treatment bitaw ka ng murag walay exemption. So, for example, a king could jail someone because he didn't like him. So, dili na pwede. Kaya ang giingon sa Magna Carta na dapat the king must show a legal reason and follow proper steps before jailing anyone. Like before niya kanang mapapriso ang usa ka person is dapat na siya kanang sakto nga basihan or kanang ba sakto nga rason nga angay nga nimo nga i-jail kana nga person. And then structure of the criminal justice system. For the CJS comprises multiple interdependent agencies. First is police services. So sa police services is kabalo na tana akali sila is mo ni sila ang responsible for crime prevention, investigations, and arrest suspects. And then number 2 is Crown Prosecution Services. Decides whether the prosecute cases based on available evidence and public interest. So ania is kanang ari mag-decide if kanang ang case is dapat ba i-adto sa court or ila pang i-check nga kanang naabay kanang enough evidence na kanang pwede nila nga pasakaan og kaso ang kuan. So if ang police makita nila ang suspect kanang ang Crown Prosecution Services dapat gyapon nila i-check ang evidences kung it is kanang strong enough para kanang i-take nimo ang person for trial. And then number 3 is courts, magistrates court. So ania is kanang mo ni sila ag kanang mag-handle sa mga big or serious crimes na nahitabo sa ilahang lugar. And then ang judge is dapat ma-make sure nila na ang trial is kanang fair and dili unbiased. And then a small fight might go to the magistrates courts. A murder case goes to the Crown Court. So ang kanang Crown Courts is kanang mo ni ang mga serious offenses like yan ang murder mo na siyang ipasaka na siya dito kay ang kaning kuan sa magistrates kay mga naghandle naman sila kanang mga minor cases. And then number 4, the process of criminal justice. A typical criminal case involves multiple stages, and first is the investigation. So, kabalo na ta na ang investigation is anha nga ang mga police or PNP personnel is mag-gather sila mga evidences and kanang interview sila sa mga witnesses. And then number 4 is prison and probation service. So, anhiya is kanang sila ang mo take care sa mga prisoners nga naa sa ilang mga silda, and then ilang tabangan na kanang mga offender is kanang ma-change sila ba o ma-rejoin sila sa community, like kanang mo attend sila kanang mga program, educations, and kanang guidance nga mahimo makapautro nila. And then Ministry of Justice is mo ni ang kanang magkuan sa mga rules sa kanang whole justice system adto sa ilahang nasod, and then kanang mag-ensure sila nga kanang smooth and fair ang ilahang justice dadtoa. And then for example, kanang mag-create sila kanang new policy sa ilang courts para kanang mas kanang maprotektahan ilang lugar dito, kanang mga prisoners nila ba is safety dito agihapon. And number 4 is the process of criminal justice system. A typical criminal case involves multiple stages. There are 5 stages: investigation, charging and prosecution, trial, sentencing, and lastly is the appeal. And let's talk about investigation. So investigation is kabalo na nga ang mga police is or mga PNP personnel is mag-gather na sila kanang mga evidences or mang-interview sila mga witnesses para naa sila kanang if naay kanang kaso na sila ika-support nga mga evidence para masuportaan ang kaso nga ilahang pagkakuanon. And then charging and prosecution. The CPS assesses evidence to decide whether to proceed to trial. So kaning charging and prosecution is ari ang kanang ang Crown Prosecution Services is kanang i-check nila if ang evidence na ilang na-collect is strong enough ba nga masuportaan ang ilang ipasaka nga kaso. Kay og strong enough ni kanang ang kanang sila is mo man ni ang mo decide kung ang ilang case kay angay ba ipasaka sa korte na. Like for example, if ang police na ay kanang maka-find sila kanang mga clear video nga nahitabo sa crime, so ang Crown Prosecution Services sila ang kanang maka-file og charges kay kato nga video mo naman tayo makapamatuod na kanang or mo naman tayo silbing kanang maghatag og kanang strong evidence na mapakita nila sa court. And then sa trial is the accused is innocent until proven guilty. And then both sides, prosecution and defense, is mas kanang mag-present sila mga evidences ba, and then ang judge na ang mag-decide inga na if tuan ba. So and then sentencing. So sa sentencing is kanang aria ang judge mo ay kanang mag-decide na sa kanang punishment kanang base ang iyang punishment is based on kanang sa crime na iyahang nakumit. And lastly is the appeal. Defendants may challenge convictions or sentences through higher courts. So aniya sa appeal is kanang the accused can challenge the decision if they think na kanang unfair ang pagkakuan sa ilahang kaso. So for example, kanang ikaw kanang na imuhang huna-huna is kanang ang judge bitaw kay kanang nasayop sa iyahang decision, so pwede ka mo kanang ask o kanang imo siyang ipa-proceed sa higher court para ma-review og balik ang inyong kaso. And then rights and safeguards. The UK's justice system is grounded in fairness and respect for human rights. The Human Rights Act 1998 incorporates the European Convention on Human Rights, guaranteeing rights such as fair trial, freedom from torture, and legal presentation, or Equality and Human Rights Commission of 2021. So ania is kana ang UK is kanang strongly protect the human rights adtoa, and then ang ilahang kuan jud is sa human rights is na kay right to a fair trial, right to have a lawyer, no torture or cruel treatment, and then right to know why you are arrested. So these come from the Human Rights Act 1998. Victims also have rights through the Victims Codes, such as getting information about the case, receiving emotional and practical support, taking part in court processes. And then next is youth and juvenile justice. Youth justice in the UK focuses on rehabilitation rather than punishment. So aniya sa UK is kanang when children or teenagers commit crimes, the goal is ang ilang goal is kanang matabangan sila nga ma-change and dili sila kanang panisyan dayon. And ang tawag ani dito sa ila is youth offending teams or youths. So anhiya is kanang their job is to find out why the young persons did the crime and tabangan sila nga ma-fix ang kanang mga problema or kanang ma-fix to nga kanang kuan gibuhat sa mga childrens or teenagers nga dili sakto. So sa ang ilang pamaagi sa pag sentencing dito sa mga youth is ilahang ikuan og kanang community programs like cleaning parks, helping community, educational program, school support or training, and youth detention or youth prison. Only, pero kaning youth prison or youth detention is only for kanang serious crimes na nila nakumit sa mga children or teenagers. And then challenges and reforms. So sa challenges and reforms is even though nga ang kanang UK is strong ilang system dito, naaghapon sila mga problems na kanang ginaatubang sa ilang country like kanang overcrowded prisons or kanang daghan na kayo sila mga piniriso dito aba, and then long trials or kanang kuan mga court cases na kanang kuan kanang take too long pa ba usa siya mahatagan og justice. And then systemic bias is kanang ang ubang grupo bitaw is kanang dili fair ang pagtrato sa ilaha, like kanang mas paboran sa uban ang pika side. And then aning rehabilitation and community corrections is nani kanang kuan sila nani kanang probation service and restorative justice. So sa probation service is kanang they help offenders to join society through behavior programs, skills and job training, counseling and mental health support. While ang restorative justice is kanang offenders meet victims or community members to apologize, understand the harm they caused, and make amends or i-fix nila or kanang magbayad sila sa damages na ilang na cost. And then for the conclusion is the criminal justice system in the United Kingdom remains a cornerstone of democracy and social order. So anhiya kay even with modern challenges of the UK, ang United Kingdom is nag-continue gahapon sila na mapa-improve ang ilahang system so that everyone is kanang matreat sila fairly. And then ang ilang justice is ma-serve for all, dili lang kay sa kana lang na mga kaya like kanang unbiased kaayo. So whether rich or poor, famous or not, the UK aims to give the same fair trial to every person. And that's all. Thank you.